Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello my lovely friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. I am so happy, excited and grateful to be here today. I hope you all had a great Christmas and happy holidays. I had a really good time with my husband and his family. We did not do much on our Christmas Eve. We ate, we exchanged our gift, and we snuggled on our bed and watched Netflix. Right now our favorite shows in Netflix is The Last Kingdom. So that was really nice and just relax. On Christmas Day we went to my husband's dad's house and met all his cousins and ate all this delicious food, and it was fun. So let's get started at what I got for Christmas from my husband. So the first thing, I'll start from the small to the big. I did not get much stuff because we try not to buy many things. We try to buy the things that what we really want and what is in my wish list. So he bought me this first thing is this one, this yoga pants. Who doesn't like yoga pants? Look at this, how pretty is this? It has all kind of design, heart, moon, flash, everything is right here. So it's just so pretty. I think he got this from Neiman Marcus and it has a tag here. So I'll tell you, it was a $96, but it was on sale for $72. So I think the reason he left the tag is that if it's small or something, so I can exchange. So I do yoga and I work out, so I always need a lot of those, like, you know, yoga pants and workout pants. So another related with this workout things, my husband, he actually bought me a membership for Orange Theory. If you have not heard about Orange Theory, then please just do Google. I love doing that. I started from last week and I am just loving it. So I love doing yoga. I've been doing yoga for a long time. It makes me so happy. Every time I do yoga, it makes me so happy and relaxed. But Orange Theory is the more like, I don't do much cardio. I think the Orange Theory is perfect for me now. Like, you know, I start doing the cardio and all kind of things. So I like to live a healthy lifestyle. So he gave me this pants and I can't wait to wear this for tomorrow for my class. And then other thing is that he gave me something from Club Monaco. I love this store. I love Club Monaco. Most of their outfits, they are so expensive. I'll try to wait until it goes on sale. So he got me this sweater. This is very plain sweater with this black color block right here. It's nothing important, just very plain sweater. And this one is size small, and this one is 100% not the cotton, it's like, no, 100% wool with merino wool. So this is gonna be very warm and it doesn't feel that thick. I can't wear those thick sweaters. I don't know, it feels me so itchy. So winter is always, I'm so itchy everywhere. So another one is, look at this, how cute is this? Look at this sweater. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this sweater. This is also in size small, and I love this details over here in the collar. It has like an, oops, hold on, let me show you. Look at this, how pretty is this? I love this, and everything black, I love it, and black and gold and this thing, oh, I love this sweater. So that's the small item that he gave me. The most exciting item he gave me was like, oh my goodness, you guys can't believe that what I just got. But look at this. Oh, my Yeezy, my first pair of Yeezy shoes. Look at this Yeezy 350. When I opened this box, I could not believe that he got me a Yeezy, because you know how it is so hard to buy these Yeezy shoes, and I don't know how long he had been planning to get me this one, but I am so happy and grateful that he bought me my first pair of Yeezy. So let's open it. And I think this is at a Sesame, Yeezy Sesame in size 6. I wear size 6, And this is so beautiful. Look at this. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear this one. It's very simple, but I love this one. I want the one in black. I think it's very hard to find that, and I think the price is just so expensive, but I am grateful with this one. I love this, and this color will go with every outfit, I think so. Oh my goodness, I love it. Thank you to my husband. And then another one, the last gift is, you can't believe that. Oh my gosh, my first item from this store is Fendi. This is my Fendi items, first item from Fendi. I don't have anything from Fendi, so this is my first item. So let me show you what is inside this beautiful yellow box. Look at this box, it's so beautiful. I love this color. Perfect. So here it is. I already opened it because it was my Christmas gift. I opened it on Christmas Eve. So here comes my first item from Fendi. It comes inside this dust bag. I know that you guys already guessed this one, what's inside here. So let me show you what I got. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is a Fendi Can I bag. Look at this. How beautiful is this? The name of the bag is Can I with letter K, not letter C. So this is just so pretty and beautiful. This is like a dark brown, and I love this stud. Look at this stud. It's like red, black, and gold. Oh, I just love it. This bag is on size small, and let me show you how it looks inside. So this is how you open. And oh yeah, by the way, you know what he did? He put some cash inside my new bag. Look at this. How nice is that? So he told me that he doesn't know what to buy more, so I can just do shopping by myself. He is such a sweet husband. I love him. And here is inside. It looks like this, and it's enough. Like, I don't want too big bag, because if I have too big bag, I try to put everything in my bag, and then my bag gets so heavy, and I'm always like this. So I don't want too heavy bag. So this is perfect size, and I like the chain stripe also. I told my husband that so I think it's back in November, we were walking by the Fendi store, and I told him that I love this bag, and he says like, no, he doesn't like it, let's go. And I was like, whatever. So I think he had a plan that he's gonna buy me for the Christmas. So I'm so glad that he did. I don't have any piece from Fendi, and this is my first Fendi collection, so I am excited for that. And here it is. So it looks like this. I think you can wear it like this, crossbody, or you can do like this too. It's so beautiful. It's perfect size, and this is a calf skin, so I have to be a little careful with this one. I love this. So for this bag, I don't have to worry about color transfer or anything because it's a dark color. So I am so glad that he bought me this bag. And also, I got a lot of other stuff from friends and family, so I did open that on Christmas Day. And yeah, there's some small, these are the only items from my husband. So I will insert some clip that how I style this bag at the end of this video, or maybe, I don't know, maybe right here so I'll insert some clip. So here is my first Fendi Can I bag, and I am so excited and can't wait to take this beauty outside and just wear it, and I love it. Thank you to my husband. And then the most important thing is, like, not only the gift and everything, I want to tell you is that I am so thankful for my family, my husband, my sister, my mom and dad. So that's more important than anything else. Like, I still remember that when I'm not from this country, and when the holidays comes, everything close, everything go to their families, and I used to feel so lonely, and I used to talk with my mom and dad in the phone, or my sister or my brother in the phone, but how they are in different country with the different time zone, and it was hard. And sometimes I used to hang out with my friend in the holidays, but you know how they are also busy with their family, and I just don't like to interrupt all the time. So right now, like, you know, I have my husband and his family, and I'm so grateful for that. And most important thing is that this holidays brings all the families together, and you meet and you catch up, and you just, like, you know, bond together again. And that's the main thing about the holidays, and I love that. So here is what I got for Christmas. And oh, before we go, make sure that you subscribe my channel, and please do thumbs up for this video, and follow me on my Instagram at Sabina Stone. If you follow me, subscribe my channel, I will be so grateful and happy and excited, and we can be friends here. So please do that for me, and I hope you all have a good new year, and be safe and be careful. Don't drink too much, and happy new year. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Audio Jungle.